talk about the October 13 event held by Apple on YouTube Live. Yes, it will be live on 10:30 p.m. on the Indian Standard Time. Yes, it is coming. The Apple iPhones are coming on the October 13th. Yes, there are four models this time. There is a 5.4-inch iPhone 12 mini, 6.1-inch iPhone 12, then there is a 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro, and a 6.7-inch. Yes, it's a great size. It's zero point 0.2 inches greater than last time. 6.7-inch iPhone 12 Pro Max. The 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max will have 120 Hz screen refresh rate, which is not yet 100% sure, but yes, we'll know on the 13th of October. Also, the OLED displays are coming to all of the iPhone 12 series. Yes, and we are getting the Apple A14 chip, which will be great faster than Apple A13. Already the Apple A13 is a chip which no company has beaten it, and the Apple A14 will be more faster than any other phone in this world right now on earth. The new navy blue color is coming. Yes, and the flat edge body style which was seen in the 4S and the 5 and 5S and the SE first edition are coming back to the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro series. Yes, and that's a great news because they are very good creepy. That's first. The 12 mini and the 12 will have two lenses each, same as the iPhone 11, and in the Pro models there will be three lenses same as the iPhone 11 Pro, but there will be a inclusion of the LiDAR sensor which is right now present in the iPad Pro 2020. Yes, that's a great news because after that sensor comes into your iPhone, the augmented reality apps will work like heaven. Work like heaven. Seriously. Also, we will be getting 5G chips on all the iPhone lineups, and there may be some 4G models of iPhone 12 available in the early 21. Yes, that's a good news because the 4G models will be slightly cheaper than the 5G models, maybe 100 or maybe $150 cheaper. iPhone 12 and 12 mini will be instantly shipping after the event is done, and the iPhone 12 Pro models will be shipping in the early November. And yes, you can see the Apple 13 October event. It is coming with a augmented reality thing on the Apple site. You can go and click on your iPhone or iPad and you will see it in augmented reality. The icon feels like that it is talking about the AirTags. Yes, the AirTags are coming. AirTags are a thing like your keychain, or you may badge it up your on a small child, so that you can track them on GPS, or you can find your misplacing keys or anything else from that GPS tracker. So yes, that will also be supporting augmented reality thing. If you find it from your camera app, or maybe they'll be introducing a new app for that, then it will show in augmented reality there where it is placed. Yes, that would be great seeing it. Also, the AirPods Studio are making their way onto this October 13 event. Yes, AirPods Studio are over-the-ear headphones. They will be coming with the neck detection feature. As we see in the AirPods, when we take them out, the music automatically stops or the call automatically ends. So yes, this feature will be same in the AirPods Studio. When the music is on, and if you take your headphones off and rest up your on your neck, then the music will stop, or maybe the call will end. And yes, that is a good feature. There may be a sensor here on your neck, and yes, along with the neck detection, these headphones will be fully noise cancelled like the Bose ones, which I like the most. Also, the ARM iMac and the new Apple TV may make their way to this event, and also it is rumored that the HomePod thing is getting slightly cheaper, and also there is a new version of it coming that is named as the HomePod Mini, which will be more cheaper and with a better chip inside. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned at JP's Workshop. So if you have liked this video, go hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Also hit up the bell icon for upcoming video notifications. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, peace.